Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek and Xiaomi finally released the MIUI 12.5 at the Mi 11 launch event. This new version of MIUI will be based on Android 11 and according to what Xiaomi showcased, this new MIUI version comes with some of the most epic features you've ever seen in a Xiaomi smartphone. But make sure that most of the features are exclusive only to the premium devices. So you might not see those features on your Redmi Note 9 once it arrives on your phone. Now the beta testing has been started and it's a closed beta testing and only 21 devices were chosen to test this MIUI 12.5 beta. The beta builds will be available in mid-January of 2021. Now let's talk about the features of MIUI 12. Firstly, of course, Xiaomi has made the MIUI 12.5 so it will enhance the performance of the device. Xiaomi has completely redesigned the system UI so it would take 20% less RAM and made it so the background apps will consume less RAM too. And with the latest MIUI 12.5, you will be able to remove most of the system apps just like in the Apple's recent iOS versions. Xiaomi in MIUI 12.5 has added two new locations to the Earth version of Super Wallpaper. These are Greece Shipwreck and Italy Blade Mountain. Apart from that, Xiaomi also released a new Super Wallpaper which is just like the dynamic wallpaper in macOS Mojave. This wallpaper changes according to the time of the day and it looks amazing. There's more, Xiaomi promised a new series of super wallpapers which are going to be released in the first half of the next year. By the way, if you want these super wallpapers on your Android smartphone, then check out the I button above and links in the description. Also, I'll be bringing these new super wallpapers from MIUI 12.5 for you guys, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification when I upload the video. Well, if you don't know, Xiaomi do care about the user's privacy and added 4 new privacy features in MIUI 12.5. You got clipboard privacy protection, so no other app can access your clipboard. Second is about positioning. It's called Fusion Fuzzy Positioning, in which MIUI 12.5 will give only approximate location to the apps which does not need your precise location. Now the next one is good. Xiaomi has added additional layer of protection to your photos. So any app which has access to your phone storage will not be able to access your photos unless you give it that special permission. Besides those, there are some enhanced privacy features in the browser and every app in the Xiaomi's App Store. Xiaomi added a whole new Notes app which lets you do more than just typing or recording clips to make notes. You'll be able to doodle on the notes and the app is optimized to work with finger, like you can create straight lines, circles and even create brush strokes. Now this feature is pretty amazing and I've been waiting for a good feature like this for so long. This feature lets you kind of merge the window stand to your MIUI smartphone. With this feature, you'll be able to see your phone notifications on your laptop. You can take screenshot in the phone and share it directly to your laptop and even share web links between the laptop and your phone. There are two apps which work seamlessly between your smartphone and your laptop. One is the File Manager app and other one is a note-taking app. These two apps are built so you can open them on your laptop and work on it, and all the data will be saved on your phone so you can just grab your phone and move out without transferring any file. Now for some miscellaneous features, Xiaomi added new natural notification sounds which lets you mix and match sounds to create customized notification tones for your devices. Then there is this MIUI Light Cone Dynamic Architecture which makes the gestures and the animations more smooth and natural on your device. Then there is this one Natural Touch feature which gives you a more realistic touch response on your MIUI 12.5 device. And this feature let the visually impaired people to touch the information right through the tactile design. So these were the MIUI 12.5 features which are pretty amazing, and we still don't know which of these features are exclusive to the premium devices and which of them will be available to the mid-range devices. For that we have to wait till next month. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.